If you are wondering if you can pay with Redmi 15, then the answer is yes, you can easily add a credit or debit card to your smartphone in order to pay with it instead of using your card. So, to do so, first we need to go to Settings, and then open More Connectivity Options in order to find NFC. NFC must be enabled whenever you are trying to pay with your smartphone. It doesn't have to be on all the time, but you just have to know that it has to be enabled. Besides that, we can go to Payment Default and we can make sure that Google Pay is selected. You can also add NFC button in Control Center over here because it is not added by default in order to have a quicker access. So you have to press Edit over here, and then in System Toggles you should be able to find NFC button and you should be able to add it to the Control Center over here. Now, once we have NFC done, the next thing that we need to do is go to Google Wallet. So let's check if it's actually pre-installed on our smartphone. And in my case, I don't have it. So we're gonna go to the Play Store. Let's skip that. And over here, we're gonna go to Search. At the top, let's tap on the search field, and then we can write Wallet. There we go. And over here we have Google Wallet, and we're gonna install it on our smartphone. So now let's wait a couple of seconds to let the phone install the app. Once we have the app installed, we're gonna open it. Next, we're gonna press View Wallet. And then we can use Add to Wallet. If you see this permission to grant access to notifications, we can allow. And then we're gonna go to Add to Wallet and then choose Payment Card. Now, after that, we have the option to scan our credit or debit card. There we go. So we can align our credit or debit card within the frame in order to scan it. However, we can also press Enter Details manually. And once you fill everything in, you should be able to save and continue, and then follow the instructions that you might see on the screen. And once you add the credit or debit card, your phone is pretty much ready to be paid with. So you can use it just like you use your credit or debit card. You can just put it close to the terminal. And yeah, that's all. Remember, once again, to keep NFC enabled whenever you're trying to pay, and your phone must be unlocked. Your phone must be unlocked when you're trying to pay. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.